Jimmy, Adrian Moore here from Loganville Ford. I got your 2015 Platinum V8 5.0 F-150. This thing is top of the line. It gets no better than this. It is the magnetic metallic. You got your powerful running boards. Look at the designing in the F-150 15 model. It gets no better than this. Leader of the pack. The Mac Daddy Mercedes-Benz of all trucks. There's nothing that this truck doesn't carry. You got your heated seats in the back, ambient lighting on the door, panoramic split roof, which is not open right now, but it is here. Man, I'll tell you. Let me give you another shot of this truck from a view. Jimmy, Ford F-150 15 model. Who has this? Loganville Ford. Power liftgate. Nighttime you need that extra light, go ahead and pop that light on there. I'll be in touch with you shortly. Adrian Moore, Loganville Ford.